Hello everyone, welcome back to the College Dunia Exams YouTube channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete process of downloading your ISER Result 2026 scorecard. So make sure you watch till the end because we'll also discuss what to do if the result page is not opening on the result day. The first and most important step is knowing where to check your result. The ISER Result 2026 will be available only on the official ISER admissions website, which is iseradmissions.in. Avoid using unofficial websites or third-party links as they may provide incorrect information or lead to phishing pages. To stay safe, always use the official portal and bookmark the website for future counseling updates. Once you visit the official website, look for the results section on the home page. The result link may appear under different names such as ISER Entrance Exam Result, IAT Result 2026 or simply ISER Result. During the result period, this link is usually displayed as a prominent banner or highlighted announcement on the home page. Click on the result link to proceed to the login page. Now you need to log in using your credentials. Enter your application number or user ID exactly as provided during registration. If you have forgotten it, check your registration confirmation email. Next, enter your password. If you don't remember your password, use the Forget Password option available on the portal. You may also see a security captcha. Enter it carefully because it is usually case sensitive. Once all details are entered correctly, click on the login button. After successful login, your ISER 2026 scorecard will appear on the screen. You will be able to see your marks including subject-wise and total scores. The scorecard will also display your All India rank, which shows your overall position among all candidates. If you belong to reserve category, you can also check your category rank. Most importantly, look for your qualifying status, which indicates whether you are eligible to participate in the counseling process or not. Once you have reviewed your result, download the official scorecard immediately. Look for the download scorecard or print/save PDF button on the page and click on it. In some cases, the PDF may open in a new browser tab. You can then save it using the save option in your browser. Store the PDF in a clearly named folder so you can easily access it during counseling and admission process. Before leaving the portal, carefully verify all information mentioned on the scorecard. Check whether your name matches the details entered during registration. Confirm your marks, All India rank and category rank. Also verify your category details and qualifying status as correctly displayed. If you notice any discrepancy, contact the ISER admissions authorities immediately for clarification. After downloading the scorecard, make sure you save it in multiple locations. Keep one copy on your device and another in cloud storage such as Google Drive or iCloud. This ensures that you can access the document even if your device is lost or damaged. It is also recommended to print at least 2 or 3 copies of the scorecard. These copies may be required during counseling, document verification, seat allotment, hostel admission, and other admission-related formalities. If you are facing problems accessing your result, don't panic. First, verify that you are using official website iseradmissions.in. Second, double-check your application number and password. Small typing mistakes often cause login failures. Third, try opening the website in a different browser such as Chrome or Firefox. You can also use incognito mode or clear your browser cache. Finally, remember that heavy traffic is common on result day. If the website becomes slow or unresponsive, wait for a few minutes and try again instead of refreshing repeatedly. That's all about downloading your ISER Result 2026 scorecard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, let us know in the comments if you have successfully downloaded your scorecard or if you have any questions regarding ISER counseling and admissions. That's all about downloading your ISER Result 2026 scorecard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the College Dunia Exam YouTube channel. Also, let us know in the comment section below if you have any questions regarding ISER counseling or admissions. Thank you for watching and all the best for your ISER admission journey.